Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while since I've made videos, and that's because, well, I've just been lazy to record and edit. Mostly the recording part though, but I'm gonna try to start this again. I am a little bit thicker than what you've seen in my last videos, and yes, my t-shirt is dirty. This is food, because I'm always eating, and with that it brings me to my first meal of the day. I literally woke up, my voice is still in sleep mode. But first meal of the day is 8 eggs, 8 whole eggs, and 2 cups of rice with with like 4 cherry tomatoes for the health. But anyway, I'm gonna eat this and then get ready for my second meal because I need to get 3 meals in before training, so I'll show you those 2 as well. Alright, so I literally haven't moved. It's been less than 2 hours, not even an hour and a half, because I'm still watching the same movie as I did when I had my first meal. It's about 15 minutes left of the movie, so I was like, perfect time to eat. So my next meal is 2 cups of rice with 200 grams of chicken and a banana. So that's meal 2, and then I have 1 more meal before we train later. So it's really been like 15 minutes since I just ate, and the guy I train with is like, can we go to gym earlier? So shoving in like a quick third meal, this roaster cook thing. So this is almost equivalent to 4 slices of bread. Then I have banana on it, a whole banana, so it's like another 20 grams carbs. And I have peanut butter and a little bit of strawberry jam. So in total, this thing's about 100 grams of carbs. Not much protein, but I will figure that out later. For now, it's just getting carbs in and getting ready for gym. Alright, so I'm heading to the gym now. Just walking to the car, have my pre-workout, car keys, bag. We are training chest and triceps today, so I'll take some footage of that and show you guys how we do it. What is all of this nonsense? Get off the car. Ew, well that's just disgusting. That is just disgusting. Come on, man. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Woo, 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 woo. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a cool. I take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Ooh. Beat down her walls, loose. Hop in the frog. Ooh. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Hold, fold, drop, muddy, out of space. Kid, cut, introduce me to your bitch's wife, and we know she slutty. Broke a brick down, nutty, buddy. Now that nigga duck, don't move too fast, I might shoot you. Draco bad and bougie. I'm always hanging with shooters. Might be posted somewhere secluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Call me Quavo Ratatouille. Run with that set, call me Booby. When I'm on stage, show me boobies. Ice on my neck on the coolest. How about the suicide with the ooze? I pull up, I hop out with all of the drugs and the good luck. I'm cooking up. My next meal is just going to be chicken and rice again with a banana. Well, eat the banana first and chicken and rice, and then I'm not sure about my other 2 or 3 meals for the day yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you liked it. Goodbye. Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.